Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove someone from your Life360 circle quickly and safely. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the internet and open the Life360 application. Now, here, tap the setting gear in the top right corner, top left corner. At the top left corner, you will see the setting gear icon. Simply click on that. Then, this takes you to the account and circle setting. Go to the circle management. Here under circle, choose the circle that contains the person you want to remove. You will see all the list of the members in that circle. Here you will see your people in the circle. Now to remove the member, tap the person name, then select the remove member. Confirm your choice. When prompted, that person will no longer appear on your circle map or receive notification from your circle. Another step is to adjust the permission. If you don't want to remove them entirely, you can also pause the location sharing. You can pause the location sharing for that member or adjust circle permission to limit what they see. And that's it. You have successfully removed someone from the Life360 circle. Like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.